Hello everybody, just a quick update on the layout. So the gap's been boarded. I did try to match the track up with the ends at the station, but I found it almost impossible. So I've decided to remove the tracks from here so that I can get them perfectly straight all the way down. Big thing is getting the track right so that it runs well, and I thought it's worth digging the track back up again and relaying it. And then just a matter of picking the ballast out. Because the code 75 bullhead's quite hard for me to get here, then I have to try and reuse as much as possible. But it's fairly simple to pull the ballast out. And then I can start relaying the station, cut out spaces for the points and the electromagnetic uncouplers, and then we're going to be back in business sometime soon, hopefully.